to do some 9-bar test on Turin, Legato. Okay, so there's different name for this machine throughout the world. Okay, especially North America, Apex from Me Coffee, their same brand as well. We have Turin in US, Legato, and also if you go to Southeast Asia, they have a different name for that as well, like Gemilai or something like that. So they have a different name with the exact same coffee machine throughout the world. So I have this pressure gauge on my portafilter. Okay, and so this is not, it's not precision, but it's close enough. Okay, so this one I got from Amazon years ago. I don't think you cannot get it anymore, but I got it from years ago. So 9 bar is about right here. Hopefully you can see that 9 bars there. And also we have the pump pressure on the gauge as well. Okay, so you know what? Let's get going here. So we know this is a 16 bar machine. I'm gonna do an 18 gram dose. Let me do some distribution here. I'm using the new palm temper from Mato this morning. All right, very clean edge. Good. "21 seconds at 40 gram. Okay. Shot looks perfect. I wish I'd like to go a little longer. Okay, a little longer there, but beautiful shot.